Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you some easy meals you can make in the microwave. I'll be showing you how I made this easy microwave pizza that is so delicious. I'll also be showing you how I made these fried chicken wings. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Toshiba Microwave. This is a multifunctional microwave by Toshiba. This microwave has the functions to air fry, bake, grill, and do so much more. It's extremely versatile. I'm going to start by using the microwave to show you how I made this delicious microwave pizza. To make the microwave pizza, you're going to need any microwavable pan or dish. Add some flour to the pan, baking powder, baking soda, some salt, milk, and olive oil. Mix everything together very well, then spread out the batter evenly in your pan. Next, add some marinara sauce, spread it evenly all over the batter. Add some mozzarella cheese, top with mini pepperonis. Once that is done, the pizza is ready to cook in the microwave. We're going to microwave the pizza for 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese is melted. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. The aroma and taste is just like pizza. This came out really delicious. The crust is nice and fluffy. This is a quick meal to make for your kids, or if you're a college student, this is a quick meal to make. Pizza and wings are a great combo, so I'm going to use the Toshiba microwave to show you how I made these delicious wings. In a bowl of chicken wings, add some olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, white pepper, salt, and black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. The Toshiba microwave comes with an air fryer basket for air frying. We're going to arrange all the seasoned wings onto the air fryer basket. Once the basket is full, I'm going to place it into the microwave. Then I'm going to use the air fry function on the microwave to air fry the wings at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. You can also bake your wings in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. I like how the microwave's air fryer cooks the wings really fast and makes them very crispy, just like fried chicken. But compared to fried chicken, these are a lot healthier and wholesome. The aroma from the wings is so good. These are the easiest wings you could ever make. They are so delicious, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, just like fried chicken. Clean up for the Toshiba microwave is very easy. You just wipe everything off with a damp towel and you're good to go. I am highly impressed by the functional ability of this Toshiba microwave. It has 8 powerful functions, and I love that it's an air fryer combo, so you can achieve the taste of fried foods but with less oil. Food is cooked very fast and they can get as crispy as you want. I highly recommend this microwave, and I'll put a purchasing link together with a coupon code in the description box if you guys are interested. All ingredients and measurements for today's recipes are in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!